A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class once again. We are going through the chapter, the Mughal Empire, and as you know that this chapter is quite vast. A lot of people are there in Mughal Empire. Still, we can't learn all about all of them. So we have just learning. We are learning in brief about the careers, about the life of few people only of Mughal Empire, because you know it was really a big dynasty, and Aurangzeb and Akbar has only ruled 50 years each, so we can't learn all about them in just few classes. So Nur Jahan, we are going to talk about Nur Jahan today. Mehrun Nisa was the daughter of Itmadud Dawla, a noble in the court of Akbar. Mehrun Nisa, what's the original name of Nur Jahan? And Mehrun Nisa was the daughter of Itmadud Dawla. And who was that person? That person was a noble in the court of Akbar. So Akbar was having nine nobles, na? So नौ रत्न आपने सुना होगा अकबर के नौ रत्न. So Itmadud Dawla was one of the noble of the court of Akbar, and Mehrun Nisa was the daughter of that particular person, Itmadud Dawla. Let us see how she has got the name of Nur Jahan. Mehrunisa was married to Sher Afghan, the governor of Bengal. So there was a governor of Bengal named as Sher Afghan, and Mehrunisa was married to this person, Sher Afghan. But what happened that is really unfortunate, that after his death, means after the death of Sher Afghan, Jahangir married her in the year 1611 and made her his chief queen. So Mehrunisa was married next to Mr. Jahangir in the year 1611, who made her chief queen, means the head of all the queen. Means Jahangir was also having many queens, but Mehrun Nisa, or you can say Nur Jahan also, by the same name, she was made the chief queen. It means head of all, means top at the top. She was at the top. He gave her the title of Nur Jahan. That means light of the world. Let us see the image of Nur Jahan or Mehrun Nisa. So she got the title of Nur Jahan from the Emperor Jahangir, you know, and she was also the head of all the queens. You can say chief queen. And what it means, Nur Jahan means light of the world. Means she is there to light the world, light the whole world. That the meaning of the word Nur Jahan. Okay. Now see, Nur Jahan began to influence. Influence means affect Jahangir with her intelligence and creative abilities. So Nur Jahan was very intelligent. She was quite intelligent, and she was really quick to take major decisions as well. She was very able. Able means able to rule the kingdom. So that's why she started giving advising. She started influencing, giving advice to Jahangir in all the work, with her intelligence and creative abilities. So Nur Jahan, because of the influence or effect or the abilities of Nur Jahan, Jahangir was very affected. He was very thinking that yes, I really got the right queen, right wife for me. Jahangir started consulting her on state matters as well as many administrative policies. So, for running the government, Jahangir always started consulting her, taking her decision, taking her views also regarding the state matters and administration. Jahangir left the entire administration work in Nur Jahan's hand. So Jahangir was very confident that yes, Mehrun Nisa, or you can say Nur Jahan, can really handle the pressures of the administrative policies, administration. So he was very convinced. He was knowing that Mehrun Nisa or Nur Jahan can really handle all this. So that's why he left the administration work in Nur Jahan's hand. Now you can say as a mark of honor, है ना, उसको इज्जत देने के लिए, है ना, for giving honor to Nur Jahan, Jahangir struck silver coins bearing his own titles on one side, and on the other the inscription struck in the name of Queen Begum Nur Jahan. So as a mark of honor, उन्होंने एक coin निकाला, that is silver coin in the state, in the country, and that silver coin was having the name of Jahangir on one side, and the name of his Queen Begum Nur Jahan on the other side. So that was done in the mark of honor to give respect to Nur Jahan. Jahangir has done that. But unfortunately, once again, you can see in the year 1611, Nur Jahan married to Jahangir, and in the year 1627, it means that almost after 16 years, 16, 17, 10, 17, yes, 16 years, Jahangir died, and Nur Jahan again she became widow, and was succeeded by Shah Jahan. So now the son of Jahangir, Shah Jahan, came into the throne, and you can see. Let us see, go through about Shah Jahan as well in our next slide. So now we have to look after Jahangir who came to the throne, Shah Jahan came to the throne, and let us see. He ruled from 1627 to 1658, almost 30 years, I think. 27 to 57 is 30 years, and 31 years, 32 years, I think. So Shah Jahan ruled almost for 32 years, and we know he is why is he famous, Shah Jahan? Because of what? Taj Mahal. After the death of Jahangir, there was a war of succession among his sons. Every son wanted to become the king. All the son wanted to become the king of India. Because of the Mughal Empire, you can say everyone was wanted to become the emperor after Jahangir. So sons were fighting among them. In the year 1628, Prince Khurram ascended the throne, and he took the title of Shah Jahan. Now you can see his name was Prince Khurram. Original name of Shah Jahan was Khurram, but he took his title from himself of Shah Jahan, which means the ruler of the world. So as he was knowing that his mother was also having the title of Nur Jahan, that is light of the world, so like that only Shah Jahan also give himself the title of Shah Jahan, that is ruler of the world, and he really defeated all his brother in that particular war. Let us see what Shah Jahan did in the year 1621. So in 1628, Jujhar Singh, a Bundela chief, rose in revolt in Bundelkhand. So Jujhar Singh, who was the ruler, or you can say who was the person who revolted in Bundelkhand, and he was the chief of Bundel. He was the chief of Mughal Empire only, but he revolted. He had seen that oh, Jahangir has died. Now why don't I become the king of this particular place, Bundelkhand? Why don't I become the chief? Why would I listen to Mughal Empire, and why would I listen to the son of Jahangir, Shah Jahan? So I will become the king of this place. So he revolted. He was defeated, and he was later killed also. So whoever will go against the king or the emperor, they will be defeated, because the king will be having a large army, and those person will be killed also. You can see next, Afghan noble Khan-e-Jahan Lodi, the Subedar of Deccan, also rebelled. And why they were rebelling? Because they wanted to become the king of that place. They want to have a full control of that particular places. Like you can see Jujhar Singh in Bundelkhand, and this Khan-e-Jahan Lodi, that he was the Subedar of Deccan, but he also rebelled. He was also defeated, and he was also killed. Now you can see Jujhar Singh, Khan-e-Jahan Lodi, they were just rebelling, and they were killed, defeated and killed. Shah Jahan wanted to bring the three states of Ahmednagar, Bijapur, and Golconda under his full control. And you can see the Bundelas were defeated, and Orsha, that is also the name of the place. It was also seized, means it was also under the control of Shah Jahan, that is Mughal Empire. So Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Golconda was all under his control. Means he was just expanding his empire from one place to another place, from one state to another state. He was also keep on expanding his empire. Shah Jahan appointed Aurangzeb as the Subedar of Deccan. So as Khan-e-Jahan, who was also the Subedar of Deccan, but he was defeated because he revolted. So Shah Jahan appointed Aurangzeb as the Subedar of Deccan. Ahmednagar was conquered in the year 1632 because Shah Jahan wanted to bring this state of Ahmednagar was under his control. So he started all that. So he controlled and conquered, or you can say captured in the year 1632. Which place? Ahmednagar. Bijapur and Golconda, they agreed to pay an annual tribute, means annual taxes, you can say. So Bijapur and Golconda, they saw that Ahmednagar was not under the control of Shah Jahan. So Ahmednagar was also defeated and conquered in the year 1632. So Bijapur and Golconda saw that if we will fight with Shah Jahan or the Mughal army, we would not be able to win against them. So it is better to shake hand with them, and that's why they agreed to pay annual taxes to the Emperor Shah Jahan. So now we will have to see about the northwest policy of Shahjahan. Northwest policy, क्या policies थे उसके जरा देखते हैं. Shahjahan wanted to reconquer the territories in the Central Asia. So Central Asia में और भी जितने भी countries थे, Shahjahan wanted to conquer because he gave him the title of Shah Jahan, that is ruler of the world. So that's why he thought, let us move to other countries also. He wanted to capture Balkh and Badakhshan, which could enable him to invade Samarkand, which was the home of the great ancestor Timur. Timur was from Samarkand, and that's why Shah Jahan wanted to reach that particular place of Samarkand. And if he has to reach Samarkand, then he will have to cross these two places, Balkh and Badakhshan. That's why he started attacking these two places. But the Mughal army had to give up due to mountainous regions and hostile climate conditions. So the condition was not very suitable at that places. So Mughal army came back. They haven't attacked there, and they had to give up this thinking. No, we can't capture. Shah Jahan also wanted to capture Kandahar. He sent his powerful expedition, means powerful army under Aurangzeb to Kandahar to capture Kandahar. But the expedition once again failed because of the superior weapons, means the people of the army of Kandahar was having very good weapons, they were from the Persians. So the Persians of Kandahar were having very good weapons, and that's why Shah Jahan has to move back, and that expedition was also failed. Thus campaigns against Balkh and Kandahar, both of them have failed because of this artillery weapons. यानी बहुत अच्छे weapons, बहुत अच्छे हथियार किसके पास थे? पर्शियंस लोगों के पास थे, कंदाहार के. इसलिए वो मुगल एम्पायर को हरा दिए वहां पर. मुगल एम्पायर lost the war and they have to give up, they have to come back. So that is all in this class, my dear students. Hope you are all safe and stay safe at home. Bye bye, take care, my dear students.